Today we're making Murtabak Daging. Now first you want to put a lot of wheat flour onto a work surface. Make sure this work surface is sufficiently big. Make a well in the middle and just sprinkle some salt. Add a bit of sugar. Again, I'm sorry but I don't have measurements. When you add the water, add it little by little and start mixing it to form a dough. Some people say adding cold water really helps make the skin crisp, but I don't know. I've just been using lukewarm water, works too. And then work your dough. This is quite long. It took me about 20 minutes. It's a good workout. Transfer it into a bowl. And continue working those muscles. Now that it looks beautiful and round, put it back into the bowl and slap a few times for satisfaction. Once it's rested for about 10 to 20 minutes, take it out, form a longish bun, and then pinch off a small piece or a larger piece, medium-sized piece would be good, and try to form a ball. This is how I do it, but you can do it any other way. As long as it looks like a ball, it's fine. Ta-da! It looks like a white mushroom. I place it inside a bowl and pour oil on top of it. The oil must cover every piece of dough, like this. Now cover it with cling wrap to make sure that it doesn't dry out. Keep all the air out because it will dry your dough. You want it to stay moist and oily. Put that in the fridge and keep it overnight. In the meantime, chop onions. Add some oil into a pot. Add your onions. Let it cook until it's fragrant. Now add some meat curry powder. Give it a mix. Add your minced beef and mix again. Break all the pieces apart. You want your beef to be completely broken down into small pieces. Once your meat is completely brown, add some water and add small cubes of potatoes. Give it a stir. And you want to cook it until it dries out like this. Now add salt. Mix it all together. Switch off the fire and put it aside. Let it cool. The next day, get your dough out and using the back of your palm, just spread it out gently, making sure it doesn't break, but spread it as thin as you possibly can. If it gets too dry, you can add more oil. It will aid in stretching it thin without breaking it. Don't be shy with the oil. This is unfortunately not a healthy dish. Stretch it out as thin as you possibly can and break an egg in the middle. Using your fingers, break the yolk and spread the egg out. Add your meat sauce in the middle. Don't put too much. And then fold your murtabak into a square, like an envelope. Ta-da! Heat up some oil in a pan and fry your murtabak. My pan is big enough for 2 murtabaks. There you go, flip and you're ready to eat. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.